Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to hide the marks section for a data visualization that we create in a Tableau Public worksheet. The dataset that we will be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public session. Now that the dataset has loaded, we can see a summary of how many fields and rows there are in a dataset, along with each of the attributes and their data types. And here at the bottom row, we also have a new worksheet that's created, which is highlighted in orange. I'm going to head over to this worksheet here called Sheet 1. I'm going to drag the numeric attribute against dark here to rows and classification here to columns. So now we have all the different Pokemon classifications and their total against dark value. And we can sort this from largest to smallest, so in decreasing order, and we can see which classification has the highest total against dark value, and on the far right, which one actually has the lowest. Now there's this marks section here which we haven't used. So if we wanted to hide it in our worksheet, we can actually go to the top row here in our Tableau Public Desktop session, click on this drop down, and here at the very bottom, the last option here, there's this marks option. Right now it's selected. We can deselect and uncheck this option. This will then hide the marks section in our Tableau Public worksheet area. And so there you have it. This is how you can hide the marks section in a Tableau Public worksheet for data visualization that you have created.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.